What's up, guys? Preston here, also known as Tactical Black Guy. I appreciate you guys joining for another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a bunch of products I got in from Keysmart. Keysmart is a company that makes devices that help you to locate your keys. So we're going to be unboxing this right here, and we're going to talk about all of the other little small tools that they sent me as well. So this right here is the Keysmart Pro Edition with Tile Smart Location. Essentially what this does is it consolidates your keys into this portion right here, and if you lose your keys, you're able to find them using your phone. So as you can see, it says never lose your keys again. It's got Bluetooth tracking technology, locate your keys on a map, and it holds up to 10 keys. You open it up, it gives you some of the details on how to set this up and what it consists of. Let's go ahead and open the box. I'm trying to open it without tearing it up because I do want to actually keep the box. So inside you have a user's manual. It tells you how to charge it up. And this is supposed to last for about 3 months. And then the star of the show, here it is. This is very lightweight, but your keys go in here once you set everything up. Put that to the side, and then you do have a micro USB cable as well. So I'm going to charge that up a little bit later. I also got all these different tools in that I had no idea that Keysmart even made. So this one right here, if you look up in the right corner, it says Raptor. So it's shaped like a raptor. This one has 6 different tools in it. This is the shark, 4 different tools. Now I think the whole idea is that you can hook these to your actual keychain if you want. This one's shaped like an owl with 4 tools. This is a wolf. It has 5 tools. And I also got a magnetic quick connect that's supposed to hold up to 3 pounds. It's pretty cool. This is a Dino, I guess, dinosaur. Dino. 5 tools. And then you have the bear. So once I get into the full review, I'm going to actually talk about a few of these in more detail. But really what I want to focus on in my full review is going to be this part right here. So I'm going to go ahead and get this set up. And I want to send a shout out to Keysmart for sending this out to me. There's a Marine Corps vet that actually got in contact with me. I think he's the marketing director. So I want to thank him for contacting me and allowing me to review these amazing products. I know they're going to be good because they've been featured all over TV, and it's been a lot of reviews that are very good. I'm Tactical Black Guy, and we'll talk to you on the next one, guys. Down below I'll post the details as to where you can go and check these guys out. And I'm out. Peace.